All right, welcome back to day 2 of the Shanklish extravaganza. I pulled everything up over here from downstairs. Sorry for the commotion. We got Easter egg madness going on over on that side, but it's okay. So let's get started. So this is what I made yesterday. Let's peel this off. All right, so this is what we got going now. This is our pot of leaven from the 1 gallon of milk from yesterday. We want to bring this back to a boil, but there's not enough room to add any water to this. So I'm going to take this and add it to the bigger pot. Bring this, dump it in here, add about a half a gallon of water to the top, and mix it all up and get it cooking. All right, now we have that 1 gallon of leaven in the big pot. I'm going to add approximately a half a gallon of water on top. I'm going to mix it all up. All right. Let's see how it looks now. All right. It looks like we got a nice mixture. Now we turn the fire on. And now we're going to bring it back to a boil. All right, I came back after a couple minutes. Seeing a little separation. I had it on medium. I'm going to pick it up. Let this, try to get a nice boil out of here. What's going on over here? Sadie, what are you doing? Sadie. All right, now after being on high, we're starting to see a little bit of bubbling going on. I think we're definitely getting a boil. All right, now it's definitely boiling. Now I'm gonna turn it off and let it sit. All right, now it's cooled off, and you can see we definitely have a big separation between what's left of the milk and then the water all on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this through a strainer, which is covered in cheesecloth, to separate the water. As you can see now, we have the Shanklish inside the strainer, which is covered in a cheesecloth, and we're gonna let this drain. So I put the strainer on top of a little bowl, so it will just keep draining into the bowl, and that's it. This is just gonna sit here now for the next couple of hours. I'll check the bowl every once in a while and dump it. I'm just gonna let this sit for at least around like 6-7 hours, maybe even overnight. All right, that's the end of day 2 of the Shanklish prep. I'm gonna let that sit in the strainer for the next 6-7 hours, potentially overnight. So until then, we'll see what happens. Hopefully this works out. I'm getting pretty excited.